Welcome to my channel. This is 12 State Tactical. Today we're going to be just doing a quick unboxing video of things I ordered from Palmetto State Armory. YouTube, I am a trained professional. Nothing in this video goes against your guidelines. Alright, so we're going to start off with the AR-15 lower. Yes, it's already open because it had to be registered at an FFL. This is the Myrtle Beach edition. Vacay serial number. Multi. This can take anything from 5.56, 2.23, 50 Beowulf, 9mm, and if you know, you know. Palmetto State Armory. Also bought a builder's kit. Magpul and Palmetto State Armory collab. This comes with everything you're gonna need. Got a buffer tube with the spring and the weight. All the pins and bolts you'll need to build it. Magpul pistol grip. Trigger and hammer assembly. And the trigger guard. This came in a deal with 10 magazines. I'd say it's probably about $150. And the lower was about $50. So $200 to build the whole lower. This will be a 5.56 build, so I got some 62 grain AAC that I will be shooting out of it. I haven't got the upper end yet, but I will be releasing a building video soon. You guys stay in tune, like, subscribe, turn your notifications on so you know when the new video will drop.